Good morning, students, and in this video I will be covering all the doubts which you have asked me, so make sure you go through the video carefully. Now, to begin with, the first question that we have is from exercise 3b, and the question is question 4 part 7. So in this question, children, the question is addition, and it says plus 1000 plus minus 1998 plus 498 plus minus 500. So what will you do, children, is first you will add all the numbers which are with the positive sign. So 1000 plus 498 and the numbers with the negative sign are minus 1998 minus 500. So on adding 1000 and 498 you will get 1498, and this minus 1998 minus 500 will give you minus 2498, and on subtracting 1498 with this you will get 1000 but with a negative sign. Next question from this exercise is question number 8, and question number 8 is which of the following sums is the least. So to check which one is the least, so you will add them. So the first one you have is minus 10 plus minus 6. So this will be minus 16. The B part you have is minus 13 plus 8. So this will be minus 5. C part you have 16 plus minus 25. So this will be minus 9. And the C part you have is minus 11 plus 13. So this will be, children, 2. So the least of all the 4 is minus 16. So this is your correct answer. The next question is question number 9. And question number 9 says scores in a golf can be positive or negative. For example, a score of 5 over par is represented by plus 5, and a score of 4 under par is represented by minus 4. So the question is, if Ronnie had scores of 1 over par, that means plus 1, 4 under par minus 4, and 3 under par minus 3. So 1 minus 7, minus 4 minus 3 is minus 7, so it will be minus 6. So minus 6 means 6 under par. So the correct answer is D. Question number 10. Question number 10 is the temperature on a Friday morning is minus 6 degrees Celsius at 6 a.m. Okay, minus 6 degrees Celsius at 6 a.m. If the temperature drops 3 degrees by 7 a.m., so the temperature is dropping, that means it is getting colder. So minus 6 becomes minus 9. How? Minus 6 minus 3 equals to minus 9 degrees Celsius at 7 a.m. Rises 4 degrees between 7 and 8. So minus 9 plus 4 degrees Celsius between 7 and 8. So it will be minus 5 degrees Celsius at 8 a.m. and then drop 7 degree. So minus 5 degree minus 7 degrees Celsius. So this will be minus 12 degrees Celsius at 9 a.m. So the correct answer is minus 12 degrees Celsius, B part, minus 12 degrees Celsius. The next question that we have from is exercise 3D. And the question is question number 7, second part. And the question says, suppose the product of two integers is positive. Okay, the product of two integers is positive. What do you know about the signs of the integers? So if I have two integers a and b and their product is positive, okay, so a multiplied by b is equals to ab. What do you know about the signs of the integers? So here children, if both a and b integers are positive, if both are positive, then plus plus will be plus, but if both are negative, it will be minus minus plus, so the product will also be positive. So if both the integers are positive, the product will be positive. If both the integers are negative, then their product will also be positive. If suppose their product is negative, then what will be the situation? That means children, if any of the integers a into minus b or minus a into b, if any of the integers is negative, then their product will always be negative. If both of them are positive, the product will be positive. If both of them are negative, then the product will also be positive. If any of the integers are negative, if any of the integers is negative, then the product will also be negative. From his exercise 3E, question 1, part 12. So we have children, minus 68 is divided by minus 17. So this will be minus 68 into minus 1 by 17. So this minus minus will become plus, and 68 upon 17. So 17 2s are 34, 17 4s are 68. So the answer would be children 4. The next question that we have is exercise 3F, question 7. So question is 27 minus 9 into curly brackets minus 18 divided by 4 plus 5 brackets and again curly brackets. So children, we have already discussed the rule BODMAS, BODMAS. Now what will we do first? So we will start. So 27 minus 9 will be 18 into, now we will solve this bracket, these brackets first. So this is minus 18, it will be minus 18 right now only, and this 4 plus 5 will become 9. Now after this children, 18 into minus 18 divided by 9, it will become 1 by 9. So 9 2s are 18. Now 18 into minus 2, this will come out to be minus 36. Question number 8. And question number 8 is 4 plus 4 into 5 divided by -2 minus 6 divided by -6. 4 plus 4 into 5 divided by -2 minus 6 brackets divided by -6. So what will we do first, children? We'll start with this. 4 plus 4 into 5, we will solve this bracket first, will be 20 divided by -2 minus 6 divided by -6. Now, here you have 4 plus 20 divided by -2 minus 6. So you will solve how? Which rule? BODMAS, BODMAS. So 4 plus 20 divided by -2. So this will be 20 into -1 by 2 minus 6 divided by -6. So 4 plus, this will be 2 1s are 2, 0, and 10 will be -10 minus 6 divided by -6. So this will become -10 minus 6 will be -16, and 4 minus 16 will be -12 divided by -6. So -12 into -1 by 6 will be 2. So your answer is 2, children. Question number 9. 5 minus 3 minus 6 minus 5 minus 4 minus 3. So children, to solve this, we will start with the very innermost brackets. So 5 minus 3 minus 6 minus 5 minus 7, 4 minus 4 minus 3 will become -7. So now 5 minus 3 minus 6 minus 5 minus 7 will be -2. So 5 minus 3 minus 6 minus will be plus, 6 plus 2. Now 5 minus 3 minus 6 plus 2 will be 8. So 5 minus 3 minus 8 will be -5, and 5, you have a negative sign outside, this will become plus 5 will be equal to 10. This will be your answer. Children, same from this exercise I have been also asked question number 10, and I have solved question number 10 in the exercise in which exercise 3F I have solved in the previous video. This question 10 I have already solved. Please go through the video again, and I hope you will be able to understand. Next question that we have, children, is from mental maths. This is question number 5, and it says 1 minus 2 plus 3 minus 4 plus 5 minus 6 plus till plus 17 minus 18 plus 19 minus 20. So children, this is a mental math based question, and I will ask you to think about this pattern of these numbers. So children, if you see the first two numbers, you have 1 and -2. So the difference between 1 and -2 is -1. The difference between 3 and -4 is -4. The difference between 5 and -6 is also -1. Difference between 17 minus 18 will be -1, and between -19 -20 will also be -1. And we have, and this dot 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 sign means the numbers are continued. That means after this we have 7 -8, then +9, -10, +11, -12, and the remaining numbers also. So if you see children here, a pair of difference of 1 and -2 gives us -1. So how many pairs we will have like these? We will have total 10 pairs, and each pair has a difference of -1. So this will be 10 into -1, it will be -10. That we have is, some children are facing problem in understanding like fractions. So children, like fractions are those fractions that simply have the same denominator. For example, 5/8, 9/8, 11/8, 11/8, 13/8, 9/8, 77/8. Fractions which have the same denominator are called like fractions. The next output we have is comparing fractions. And comparing fractions mean, children, how do we compare two fractions? That means which fraction is greater. So let us consider two fractions. 5/11 and 4/19. So children, and I want to know which one is greater. So if they would have been like fractions, we have already discussed this. If they would have been like fractions, so it depends on the numerator. Greater the numerator, greater will be the fraction. The fraction which is having the greater numerator will be the greater fraction. And but in unlike fractions, which now they are not having the same denominator and they also don't have the same numerator, how will we decide? So children, I have already told you this. If we have two fractions, a upon b and c upon d. So here 5/11, a upon b equals to 5/11 and c upon d equals to 4/19. So if AD is greater than BC, so what we are doing, we are multiplying A with D and B with C. If AD is greater than BC, then A upon B is greater than C upon D. If AD is less than BC, then A upon B is less than C upon D. And if AD equals to BC, then A upon B equals to C upon D. That means they are also equivalent fractions. So children, here let's find AB. Let's find AD. So AD will be 19 into 5, it will be 95, and BC will be 11 into 4, it will be 44. So we can see AD is greater than BC, therefore 5/11 is greater than 4/19. Now, doubts from exercise 5A. So exercise 5A, question 4. And find three equivalent fractions for each fraction. So you need to find equivalent fractions. So what were equivalent fractions? So suppose if you have 4 upon 8 and 8 upon 16, and if you simplify, this will be 1 by 2 and this will also be 1 by 2. So fractions which have the same value on simplification are called equivalent fractions. So 12 upon 15, you need to find 3 equivalent fractions. So if you simplify this, this will be 3 4s are 12, 3 5s are 15. So equals to 4 upon 5. And one more, if you multiply 12 upon 15, the same with a number, numerator and denominator. So if you multiply 12 with 2, it will be 24, and if you multiply 15 with 2, it will be 30. And if you simplify again, this number, 6 4s are 24, 6 5s are 30. So this will be 4 upon 5. This is also 4 upon 5. So numbers, fractions, which on simplification give the same fraction are called equivalent fractions, or the definition in your textbook says 2 or more fractions having the same value or representing the same part of a whole number are called equivalent fractions. We have already discussed with this some examples. Suppose if you have a rectangle and if you divide it into 2 parts, so this will be 1 upon 2. Now if I draw one more line here, and if I shade this much, so, and if I ask you the shaded part of this rectangle, then this one again will be shaded part of this rectangle will be 1 by 2. Question 4, part 3. You have 18 upon 24. So first equivalent fraction can be just a simplification. If you simplify 18 by 24, will be 6 3s are 18, 6 4s are 24. So this will be 3 upon 4. And if you find one more, what you can do, the simple trick is just multiply the numerator and denominator with the same number. So multiply it with 2. This will be 36 upon 48. This is also, and these all three are equivalent fractions. You can have any number of equivalent fractions. If you multiply 18 upon 24 with any number, if you multiply it with 3, then you will get the same equivalent fraction. And if you multiply them, this will be 54 upon 72. Exercise 5b, question 3, part 4. Arrange the following in descending order. Question 3, part 4. So children, so these are all unlike fractions. You have 5 upon 6, comma 7 upon 8, comma 9 upon 11, comma 11 upon 24. And you need to arrange them in descending order. That means from smaller, not from smaller, from larger towards smaller. Ascending is from small to larger and descending is from larger to smaller. So first we need to do, you find its LCM. So we find LCM of 6, 8, 11 and 24, and we convert them into like fractions. So we will do that first. So we have 6, 8, 11 and 24. Starting with 2. 2 3s are 6, 2 4s are 8, 11, 2 1s are 2, 2 2s are 4. Again with 2, 2, 3, 2 2s are 4, 11, 2 6s are 12. Again with 2, 3, 2 1s are 2, 11, 2 3s are 6. Now with 3, 3 ones are 3, 1, 11, 3 ones are 3. This time with 11. Now your LCM, it will be 2 into 2 into 2 into 3 into 11. So this will come out to be 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8, 8 3s are 24, 24 into 11. And on multiplying 24 with 11, you will get 264. So you will get 264. Now, after doing all this, children, you will convert them into like fractions. So what will you do? 5 upon 6. Now, you will multiply 5 upon 6 with such a number that in denominator you get 264. So the easy way to do this is you simply divide 264 with the denominator and you will get the number which you need to multiply in numerator and denominator. So if you divide 264 with 6, you will get 44. You multiply with 44 in the numerator and denominator. So this will be 44 into 5. So this is 220. Now, next, 7 upon 8 equals to 264. So now do the same thing. Divide 264 with 8 and now you get here 33. And you multiply with the numerator also. So 7 multiplied by 33 will be 231. Now you have 9 upon 11. So you multiply with 264. So 264, when you divide this with 11, you will get 24. So you will multiply with 24 in the numerator and denominator. So this will be 216. Now you have 11 upon 24. So what will you do? 264 divided by 24. So this will be 11 and in the numerator also 11. So 11 into 11 is 121. This is 264. Now they all are converted into like fractions and we want to arrange them from larger to smaller. So the number which is having the greatest numerator is the largest fraction here. So the greatest numerator that we have here is 220, 231, 216 and 121. So the number with the greatest numerator here, the fraction with the greatest numerator is this 7 upon 8. So 7 upon 8 is the very first, the greatest of all these fractions. Now you have 220 upon 264. So this will be 5 upon 6. After that you have 216 upon 264. So this will be 9 upon 11. And after that you have 11 upon 24. So what will you do? You will find the LCM. You will convert them into like fractions and then you will decide according to the numerator. The next question that we have is from exercise 5C and it is question 2, fourth part, and it says 101 11 upon 31 plus 99 10 upon 31. So how will we do this? We will multiply 101 and 31 and we will add to 11. So on multiplying, what will you do? 31, 101 into 31 plus 11 and in this 99 into 31 plus 10. So this will be 3131 upon 31, and this will be, and you need to add 11. 99 into 31 will be 3069 plus 10 upon 31. So 31 plus 31 plus 11, and they have the same denominator, so you will add all of them. So 31 plus 11 plus 3069 plus 10. So this will, on adding all together, will be, so this will be 6221 upon 31. This will be your answer. Exercise 5C, question 4, children. Question 5. Question 5, third part. So it says 17 upon 12 minus 1 by 6 plus 5 by 18. So what will you do, children? 17 upon 12 minus, take the LCM as 18, 6 3s are 18 1s are 5. You will get 17 upon 12 minus 3 minus 5 is minus 2, minus 2, so this 1 upon 6 plus 5 upon 18. Okay, children. So 5 plus 3 is 8 upon 18. Now 17 upon 12 minus 8 upon 18. Take the LCM as 36. So 12 3s are 17 3s are is 51. 18 2s are 8 2s are 16. So you will get this as 35 upon 36, children. The next question that we have is question 6, part 2. And the question says, simplify 3 7 upon 10 plus 9 21 upon 100 plus 1 3 by 5. So 10 into 3 is 30, 30 plus 7 is 37 upon 10 plus 9 into 100 is 900. This will be 921 upon 100, and here it is 5 ones are 5 and 5 plus 3 is 8 upon 5. So the LCM of these three will be 100. So 10 into 10 is 100, so 37 into 10 will be 370 plus 100 into 1 is 100, so 9 into 21 into 1 is 1, and 5 into 20 times is 100, so 20 into 8 is 160. Now you will add all these three. So on adding these three numbers that you have here is, will get you 1451 upon 100. This will be your answer. Into mixed fraction, so this will be 1451 upon 100. Question that we have, children, is from question 6 only and fourth part, and it is 7 plus 5 1 by 8 minus 3 1 by 4. So this will be 7 plus 8 5s are 40 plus 1 41 upon 8 minus 4 3s are 12 plus 1 13 upon 4. So taking the LCM, it will be 8. So 1 8 is 7 8 is 56, 8 1s are 8 is 41, and 4 2s are, so minus, you will have here 4 2s are minus 13 into 2 is minus 26. So you will add 56 and 41 and it will give you 97 minus 26 upon 8. So 97 minus 26 will be 71 upon 8, and we will convert this into a mixed fraction. So it will be 8 8 is 64, and we will be left with 7. Next question from this exercise only, children. Question 7. Of 5 2 by 3 and 3 3, which one is greater and by how much? So 5 2 by 3 and 3 3 by 4. So first we will convert them into improper fractions. So 5 3s are 15 plus 2 17 upon 3, and 4 3s are 12 plus 3 is 15 upon 4. Now you use the formula A upon B equals to AD equals to BC 1. So 17 into 4 and 15 into 3. So 17 4s are, you will get 68, and 15 into 3 is 45. So here 17 upon 3 is greater than 15 upon 4. And by how much? So what will you do? You will subtract 17 upon 3 and minus 15 upon 4. So take the LCM. 4 3s are 12. So 3 4s are 17, 4s are 68, minus 4 3s are 45. So you will get the answer as 23 upon 12. So this will be converting into mixed fraction. 12 1s are 12, and you will be remaining with 11. So 5 2 by 3 and 3 3 by 4. 5 2 by 3 is greater by 1 11 by 12, children. Question number 8 we have now. So question 8 says, what should be added to 8 3 by 7 to get 11 11 by 14? What should be added to 8 3 by 7? So 8 3 by 7, we suppose that fraction to be x. We need x to be added to get 11 11 by 14. So this will be 7 8s are 56, 57 58 59. So 59 upon 7 plus x equals to 14 into 11 plus 11. So this will be 165 upon 14. So x 165 upon 14 minus 59 upon 7. So taking the LCM as 14, 165, 7 2s are 59 into 2. You will get 118, and the result will be 47 upon 14. And you need to convert this in mixed fraction. So if you convert this, so it will be 14 3 by 5, children. Question number 9, children. What must be subtracted from 5 1 by 6 to get 2 11 by 18? What must be subtracted from 5 1 by 6 to get 2 11 by 18? So children, 5 6 are 30, 30 plus 1 is 31 upon 6 minus x equals to 18 2s are 36, 36 plus 11 is 47 upon 18. So 31 upon 6 minus 47 upon 18, and you take this minus x here, it will be x. So taking the LCM now, 18, 6 3s are 31, 3s are, so 3 1s are 3, 3 3s are 9, minus 47. So it will be 93 minus 47, and you will get as 46 upon 18. And you will convert this into improper fraction. So 18 2, 10. This will be your answer, children. This question is, children, here is question number 11 of this exercise only. And question 11 is, which fraction should be filled in the blank circle in the adjacent figure so that the sum of the fractions on each side of the triangle is the same? Children, here you have 1 upon 13, then there is a blank, 5 upon 13, 2 upon 13, 4 upon 13, 6 upon 13 here. So children, if you look into this diagram, you will see if you add 1 upon 13, 6 upon 13 and 4 upon 13, what will you get? So 1 upon 13 plus 6 upon 13 plus 4 upon 13. So this will be 6 plus 4, 10 plus 1, 11 upon 13. If you add these three, 13, 5 plus 2 plus 4, so this will be 4, 5, 6, 6 plus 5, 11 upon 13. So what should we add here so that the answer is 11 upon 13? So what will you do, children? 1 upon 13 plus x plus 5 upon 13 equals to 11 upon 13. Now we find the value of x. So x equals to 11 upon 13 minus 5 upon 13 minus 1 by 13. So taking the LCM, 13, 11 minus 5 minus 1, it will be 11 minus 5 minus 1, so it will be 13 upon 11 minus 6. So this will be 5 upon 13, children. This will be your answer. So you need to fill 5 upon 13 here. The next question is the challenge from this exercise only, page 93. You have find x if 12 x upon 8 plus 19 3 by 4 equals to 32 3 by 8. So 8 into 12, 12 8s are 96 plus x upon 8. So 19 into 4 is 76 plus 3, so this will be 79 upon 4. And here you have 32 into 8 plus 3, so this will be 259 upon 8. Now children, you have here x plus 96 upon 8 and here 259 upon 8 minus 79 upon 4. So you solve this first. The LCM will be 8. So 259 minus 4 2s are 79 into 2. It will be 158. So 259 minus 158 will be 101, 101 upon 8. Now this is not over now. You have x plus 96 upon 8 equals to 101 upon 8. So they have the same denominators on the left side and the right side, so this can be cancelled. So this will be x plus 96 equals to 101. So x equals to 101 minus 96. X equals to 5. The answer is x equals to 5. So if you ask me how is this possible to cancel this 8? Look here children, note for you to understand. X plus 96 equals to 101. So 8 will be multiplied this side and 8 will also be multiplied this side. So we can see here 8 is multiplied both the sides. So we can cancel this. That is why I have cancelled it here. So x equals to 5, children. That we have, children, is from exercise 5D. So question 6 we have is the first out. Question 6 we have the product of two fractions. So let the two fractions be a upon b and c upon d is 1 5 by 7 is 10 5 by 7. So a upon b into 10. What you can do here, children, is you can take the fractions as x. Let the fraction be x. So the product of two fractions, so x into, if one of the fraction is 1 5 by 7 equals to 10 5 by 7. So this is your equation. You will solve this. So first you will convert this in mixed fraction x. Write this as like this: x into 7 1 is 7 plus 5 is 12 upon 7 into equals to 7 10 is 70 plus 5 75 upon 7. You have the same denominator here. This will be cancelled. So this will be x equals to 75 upon 12. So you can use 3 2s are 6, 3 5s are 15, 3 4s are 12. So x equals to 25 upon 4. So 25 upon 4 is the required fraction, children. Now next question that you have is question 1, 8th part. It is find the product and reduce it to its lowest term. So 2 1 by 7 into 7 by 22 into 2 4 by 9. So 7 2s are 14, 14 plus 1 is 15. So 15 upon 7 into 7 upon 22 into 9 2s are 18 plus 4 is 22 upon 9. So 7 is cancelled by 7, 22 is cancelled by 22. You have 3 5s are 15, 3 3s are 9. So the answer is 5 upon 3. The next question that you have, children, is question 5, second part. And it is 1 1 by 8 divided by 2 1 by 4 into 4 1 by 3. So children, bracket of division. First we will solve the division here, but you need to convert them into improper fractions. So 8 1s are 8 plus 1, 9 upon 8 divided by 4 2s are 8, 9 upon 8, 4 3s are 12 plus 1 13 upon 3. So 9 upon 8 into 8 upon 9 into 13 upon 3. So this will be 13 upon 3 into mixed fraction, children. 3 4 1 will be your answer. Same question. Question number 7 now, children. Question 7. Question 7, fourth part. So it is 4 upon 5 minus 1 upon 4 upon 1 9 upon 20 plus 1 3 by 10. So we'll solve the numerators first. So this will be LCM will be 20. 4 5s are 20. So 4 in 5 into 4, 4 4s are 16 minus 4 5s are 5 upon, convert them into improper fractions. So 20 into 120 plus 9 29 upon 20 plus 10 into 110 plus 13 upon 10. Now children, 16 minus 5 is 11 upon 20 upon 20 ones are 29 plus 10 twos are 13 twos are 26. So this will be 11 upon 20. 29 plus 26, 2 will add. This will be 55 upon 20. Now this will be multiplied to this and this will be multiplied to this. So 11 into 20 upon 55 into 20. 20 is cancelled by 20, 11 5s are 55. So the answer is 1 upon 5, children.